粉ミルクをロックで。
Got my chicken in the oven, cookies on a plate. Solo party ready, this is gonna be great. Watch list loaded like a Christmas feast. Anime, movies, manga, stress release. Sweatpants on, yeah, I killed the bra. No mascara, no fake, oh wow. Told a group chat, sorry, can't tonight. It's just me and Netflix and my fairy life. My phone starts buzzing like it owns my soul. Ringing on the pillow like a demon call. See your name and I just freeze. You've gotta be kidding me. Don't call me, it's Christmas, are you for real? You said you were off, now you break the deal. If nobody's dying and the building's fine, why are you blowing up this phone of mine? I lit my candle, turn my brain to sleep. Now you drop your chin like a jump scare beat. Don't call me, it's Christmas, I'm not your elf. If you need a miracle, do it yourself. You there, so sorry, can you jump online? Just a quick task, it won't take much time. Every villain uses that same line. Just a little turns to overtime. Cursor blinking like it's laughing at me. Cold fried chicken is my tragedy. My playlist skips from joy to rage as I log into your circus page. Last week I joked, no plans, no man. You were 24/7 work slave, I can't. I swear next time I'll lie instead. Sorry, wedding honeymoon already wet. Don't call me, it's Christmas, I'm off the clock. You said enjoy, now you wanna talk. My only meeting was with my bed. Now with your chaos in my head. If it's not on fire, it can freaking wait. Stop turning holidays into a due date. Don't call me, it's Christmas, I'm not your elf. If you broke something, go fix it yourself. Next year I'll vanish, phone on flight. Laptop buried out of sight. Status set to lost at sea. No Wi-Fi where you can bother me. You type thanks, you saved the day. But my day off just burned away. Hit send with crumbs on my face. Muttering, I hate this workplace. Don't call me, it's Christmas, I'm finally done. I'll build a wall around my fun. Next time you say